Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you something really interesting, how to create 3D cartoon avatars for free. Let's get into it.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D cartoon avatar that can literally speak for you in your YouTube tutorials. As creators, we all have those days when we don't feel like shooting content or we don't even feel like showing our face. But consistency on YouTube is everything, and this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Let's get into it. So first, we'll go to ChatGPT. We're going to generate the image we're going to use in this tutorial. So I'm going to paste my prompt, and I have a very detailed prompt here that helps me get a high quality image, and I have it in full. If you want to screenshot this prompt so that you can use it, edit it, impute details that align with your name, your brand, or whatever it is you want to put out there, you can go ahead and do that. So once we're done with this, we're going to hit the arrow button and have ChatGPT generate the image for us. So give it a few seconds and the image will be generated. So let's see what we have here. So yes, ChatGPT actually generated two options for me. This is the first and this is the second, and I think I love both. I'm just going to go ahead and save. Click on the save button and it will save directly to your mobile phone. So now that I have these two options, next I'm going to move to DreamFace. This is where we're going to animate it and have this image talk. So we'll go to our Chrome browser and search for DreamFace. So once you type DreamFace in the browser, the first option that pops up is what you're going to click on. So it takes you directly to this dashboard. If you've not signed up, you go ahead and sign up with your Gmail. Once you're done with that, the next step is to start creating. So we have this space here where we have AI avatar, AI video, AI image. So we're going to click on AI avatar because that's what we're creating today. If you click on show more, you would see the other options that you can create using DreamFace. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just click on AI avatar and start creating. So now that we're on this space, you can see other things I've generated using this particular AI tool. So first, we're just going to click on this plus sign and we'll see the option of photo library, take a photo, and the rest. So we'll click on photo library. It takes us directly to my phone gallery. Once I click on that, I'll see the options of all the images I downloaded. So I'll click on my preferred image. I'll click on this one and then I'll have it uploaded here. So just give it a few seconds and the image will be uploaded to this space. So that's it. Now we have the image we downloaded here. So next we're going to click on want avatar to say. So here you see the text option and the audio option. So we'll simply go ahead and paste the text. This is a prompt I already have of what I want my avatar to say. So once I click on it, I'll hit confirm, and next we choose our preferred voice. So you see choose your voice. So once you click on it, you see all, female, male, child, whatever option you prefer. If you want your avatar to have a male voice, if it's a male avatar, you go ahead. In this case, I'm using a female avatar, so I'll go ahead and click on any of the female characters I prefer. So here I'm just going to scroll to show you the options we have. So I'll go ahead and select Sarah. Once I select it, I'll come back and click on generate and DreamFace will start generating the image. So let's see what we have.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you something really interesting, how to create AI images for free. Let's get into it.
So that's not bad at all. So just go ahead and save. You click on download and save it directly to a mobile phone. Next, we're going to try something else, because if you notice, the first video we generated didn't have any form of gesture. The character was just static and all of that. So to achieve our character moving and having the right gestures, we're going to animate the picture first before we lip sync it on DreamFace. So we'll go to our Chrome browser again and search for Pixverse AI. So once we search for it, the first option that comes up, we'll click on it, sign up with your email, and then you have access to this space where you see so much that you can generate on Pixverse. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to animate our video. So I'll click on this sign here. It brings us to this space where you see click or drag paste. So we'll click on it and then we'll have option to import our image. So select our preferred image and have it uploaded here. As you can see, it's uploading. So once it's completely uploaded, we're going to select that image. Once we select it, it appears on the dashboard. Then we're going to impute our text. So here I'm going to type what I want my character to say. So I say she says, then I'll add my quotation mark and then paste what I want my character to say. Now remember, I'm not going to use, you see this audio option here, I'm not going to put it on. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want it having any audio, because the audio that I get here always comes with music in the background. So I'm going to put it off, and then I'll make sure my prompt is in order. Then I'll click the create button and it will start creating for me. So this is nice. This isn't bad at all. So next we're going to move over to DreamFace. Click on AI avatar, click on the plus sign and click on photo library. It takes us to our gallery. We're going to import the video we just downloaded from Pixverse. Once we do that, we'll click on what we want our avatar to say. Now note that this option where you have audio file, you can also import your own audio. If you want to use your voice with you saying whatever it is you want to say, you can do that by clicking on audio and import either the video or files. But if not, you can always paste your script and have a selected voice that can say it for you. So we'll click on what we want our avatar to say, and then we'll paste our prompt, and then we'll select our preferred voice. Once we do that, we'll hit generate and it will start generating. So once that is complete, let's see our finished product.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you something really interesting, how to create AI images for free. Let's get into it.
So that's it. This is a very simple, beginner-friendly way for you to create your own 3D cartoon avatar and have it say whatever you want it to say. You can use this for your YouTube intro videos, short tutorials, YouTube shorts, and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment.